There's a global misunderstanding about Afghan women, that Afghan women are victims and need saving, or that Afghan women are not capable of defining our own priorities. So I want to change this narrative because the history of Afghan women didn't start after 2001. We have a long, rich history. Stories are denied by the same people who came here to fight terrorism and claimed they would save Afghan women. These days are very hard. I feel that I'm very close to death these days. That is how I feel. Every day feels like it's the last day. They might be able to kill me or remove me, my physical body, but they will never be able to kill my spirit. They will never be able to remove or erase my thoughts